Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yeah, Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another video. So today is the last weekend of April 2024. So right in the middle of Morel season here in the eastern part of the Mount Hood National Forest, right at 2,400 feet elevation. And looking for some morels and see if we can find them. It's gonna be good through Mother's Day's weekend and mid-May, I think. As the time goes on, just go up to the higher elevation. Right now, 2,400 feet. Maybe in a few weeks, it'll be like 3,500, 4,000 feet. So this is the beginning. Let's go. So I got right here, these are all small. And right here, and right here, and then a few more back here. They're all around here. Yeah. Where are they? Oh, right here. See? It's another one. So they're all very small. So these are so small that they just coming out in clusters. And if I wait a few more days, they will be fully grown and they'll be bigger. But it seems that right now we are just a few days or maybe 1 week too early. But it's a good sign that they are coming up. Well, I got another set right here. That one's bigger. All right, my first morel harvest of the year, 2024. First morel. It's not a big one, but I'll take it and I'll come back for the rest of them. So I got 2 more right here, 1 right here, 2, and 1. And I'm sure there's a lot more around here, but they're all just coming out. And then my last batch was right there. 3 more right here. There's a bigger one. See? Just right here along the way. I got this one, big one. I'll just leave those alone. I'm harvest that one. Okay. Nice. So, 1 more right here. That's another one. It's a lot of them. You just focus your eyes. When you find one, you find a lot of them around you. Another one. More right here. There's a big one right here. And 2 more right here. 3 more right here. And 3 more right here. So I see a lot of this fake morel out here. They look like brains. So people call them brain mushroom, but they're not morels. Right here, there's 2. There's a smaller one, there's a bigger one. I'll take the big one and come back for the smaller one. Nice. There's 2 hiding in here. And one more hiding here. That's a big one. We'll take that one. And then there's a baby right there. Look at this baby. It's smaller than my fingernail. It's all around here. It's all around here.
Baby.
Yep, baby right there. Baby right there. And baby right there. So I marked this area right here. There's at least 20 some juvenile morels around this area. So I'll come back for it in a few days. So find another cluster of babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, more right here. And then 2, 3, 4. It's on this slope right here. 1 cluster, 2, 3, 4. It's all here. So about 20 right here, and then about 30 over there, just within this vicinity, that are still growing. All right, so it's getting late. It's about 4 o'clock. Better get back to the road. So I didn't harvest that many, maybe just a few of them. Some, good sized ones. And then just leaving around maybe 3 or 4 dozens of small morels out here to grow and come back later. So yeah, right now 2,500 feet. Last weekend of April 2024. Morels are here. They're growing. It's gonna be good this year. So check back with me. I'll see you next time. That's what I got today, but it's still a very good day because what I saw up there is far, far more than what I have here. So they're waiting for me to go back to harvest them when they grow up bigger. So yeah, still a very good day. Thanks for watching.